Start with the Leo wooden comb on damp hair right after washing. Its wide teeth glide smoothly through curls and waves, gently detangling without breakage while preparing the hair for styling. Next, apply your leave-in or curl product with your hands, working it evenly from roots to ends. Follow with the Leo comb for optimal distribution. As you comb, Leo enhances curl separation, helps define each strand, and gives your scalp a light massage with every glide, boosting circulation and refreshing your roots. Make sure to layer your products thoughtfully, from lightest to heaviest. Finish with a curl definition product for hydration and hold. Leo also helps distribute natural oils evenly from roots to ends, maintaining softness and balance. Once the products are worked through, scrunch the hair with your hands to emphasize the natural curl pattern. This keeps the finish soft and slightly tousled rather than overly polished, letting the natural texture shine through. Dry with a diffuser on medium-low heat. This method preserves the curl shape while adding volume and bounce. Take your time. The goal is a natural, slightly tousled finish. When the hair is dry, use the Gio wide tooth comb to gently lift at the roots. Gio adds subtle volume without disrupting curl definition. It's also a perfect tool to use throughout the day for a quick pickup at the root whenever your style needs refreshing. Finish by using the Dada Cleaner Brush to remove product residue from your combs. Keeping your tools clean ensures they'll last and perform their best.